Yeah, I expect to have a very fruitful Mandawi Business Month with all the activities we have lined up. And our panel of speakers for the Business Summit is very, very interesting. They will have very inspiring messages and topics to talk. No? So, and other than that, so we also welcome 20 more members. So we hope that they will also participate in all our activities. We we have several activities lined up to October, I think, or even November. So we hope everybody is will join us also. We have so many seminars coming up. There's one about logistics, and then also about taxation. So we're trying to help businesses improve on their operations also. And again, the business summit we've invited speakers from Manila. So our keynote speaker is Secretary of Finance Frederick Go. So that would be interesting to hear what he has to say about the plans of the government also. Mm.
Your message to the members of Mandawi Chamber and also those who are non-members who interested to
Yes.
join the activities.
I invite all of you to join us celebrate the Mandawi Business Month, which starts this August and goes all the way to October. We have so many activities lined up that that will touch different aspects of business, from taxation, operations, even what do you call this, team building activities. Like we also have a bowling tournament and tree planting. So different facets of life.